Welcome to our video on the role of glucoberry in lowering blood sugar. In this video, we will provide essential information for beginners who are interested in managing their blood sugar levels. Glucoberry is a natural supplement that has been gaining popularity for its potential benefits in diabetes management. Let's explore how glucoberry works and its potential effects on blood sugar. Before we delve into the role of glucoberry, let's first understand how blood sugar is regulated in the body. When we consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. The hormone insulin, produced by the pancreas, helps transport glucose from the blood into the cells, where it is used for energy. However, in people with diabetes, this process is impaired, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Glucoberry aims to support this natural regulation process. Glucoberry contains active compounds that have been researched for their potential blood sugar-lowering effects. These compounds may enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, and inhibit the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose. Additionally, glucoberry may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are often associated with diabetes complications. It's important to note that glucoberry should not replace prescribed medication, but rather be used as a complementary approach. Numerous studies have examined the impact of glucoberry on blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that it may help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve glycemic control. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating glucoberry into your diabetes management plan. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and medical history. If you're considering using glucoberry, it's important to follow the recommended dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer or your healthcare professional. Glucoberry is typically available in capsule or powder form. Remember to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and inform your healthcare provider about any changes or improvements you observe while using glucoberry. In conclusion, glucoberry may play a role in lowering blood sugar levels due to its potential effects on insulin sensitivity, carbohydrate metabolism, and inflammation reduction. However, it's crucial to approach glucoberry as a complementary tool in your diabetes management plan and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Stay informed, take charge of your health, and consider exploring the benefits of glucoberry for yourself.